So before delivering the product to the customer, software team should follow these principles. First one is customer expectations for software must be managed. So here the customers, they expect more than the team has promised to deliver. So if expectations are more and if the product delivered is not according to the requirements, then in that case customers get disappointed and they will send the feedback. So that feedback also, as they are not satisfied, so feedback will be non-productive. That means feedback, they will send a negative feedback. So which ruins the morale, which ruins team morale. So here in order to solve this issue, so first of all software engineer, so here the software engineer should be careful about sending the customer conflicting messages. So customer should be very careful about sending the customer conflicting messages. So what are these conflicting messages? So that means either promise more than you deliver in time period, or else delivering more than you produce, or delivering more than you promise for one software increment and less than you promise for next software increment. So conflicting messages in the sense, say suppose if the team, if it promise more than you deliver in time period, say suppose the team promised to deliver some important things in first software increment. So some of the requirements mentioned by the customer in first software increment, but it delivered even more than the promised requirements. And for the next time he delivered less than he promised. So delivering more than you promised for the first software increment and less than you promised for next software increment. That means during the first software increment he delivered more, whereas for the next software increment he delivered less than what he promised. So this causes this leads to customer disappointment. So while sending these type of conflicting messages, software engineer should be very careful. So that is nothing but customer expectations should be managed properly. So he should not deliver either too high than he promised, or he should not deliver too low than the things which he promised to the customer. Second one, complete delivery package should be assembled and tested. So here a CD-ROM or any other medium containing all executable software, support data files, documents, relevant information. It should be assembled and tested with actual users. So complete delivery package. That means, see, here either a CD-ROM or other medium, it may contain executable software, or it may contain support data files or any other documents or relevant information. So all these things, they should be properly assembled and they should be tested with actual, here with it should be tested with beta tested with actual users. So all these things are, so once we assemble everything, then you must perform, a software team should perform beta testing with actual users. Next, a support regime must be established before the software is delivered. So here, customers they usually expect proper response from the team. So here the team should send response, or they should provide support whenever any questions or any problems arise. So say suppose if the users have some questions, or if they are facing some problems, then in that case they expect support, or they expect support from team, or they expect proper response from team. So during that time, the team should respond well. Otherwise, customers become dissatisfied. Okay. So if there is no proper response from team, then in that case, customers become dissatisfied with that. And here, in order to avoid this situation, appropriate record keeping mechanisms and support documents should be prepared and they should be provided to the customer. So support should be provided, or it must be established before the software is delivered. So they need to prepare appropriate record keeping mechanisms. They need to apply these record keeping mechanisms, or they need to provide or prepare supporting documents so that are useful for the users. So that should be done before software is delivered. Next, appropriate instructional materials must be provided to end users. So in this case, appropriate training and troubleshooting guidelines should be provided. So appropriate training should be provided, as well as troubleshooting guidelines should be prepared. So here these are considered as instructional materials. So they must be provided to the end users. Next, buggy software should be fixed first and delivered later. Say suppose if the software which is developed is not up to the mark, or if still there are some bugs in the code, then in that case first you need to fix the bugs and then it should be delivered to the customer. So see here, so under time pressure, usually some software companies deliver low quality increments. So low quality increments will be delivered with error message or with warning stating that bugs will be fixed later. So most of the companies or some of the companies, what they are doing is, because of time pressure, say suppose if they promise to deliver the product to the customer within 2 months, and if they about to reach that particular time, so because of that time pressure, they will deliver the software product with low quality. So they will deliver low quality increments and they will give a warning or error message stating that bugs will be fixed later. So in that case, problem with this attitude is that, see, usually there is a saying in software engineering, that is, the people or the customers who received high quality product, they will forget that developer who developed the high quality product in a short time period, within a short time period. Whereas if a product which is of low quality is delivered to him, then he'll remember that. So he'll remember that forever, because every time he need to deal with that software reminds him about the mistake. So don't do such kind of things. So avoid these kind of avoid this kind of attitude or behavior. So whenever you deliver or any product, try to deliver high quality increment only. So don't say that bugs will be fixed later by delivering the low quality increment. So these are few deployment principles that should be followed by the developer before delivering the product to the customer.